Dear student, how are you? Today we will discuss about most IMP question and last question of the chapter for 4 marks. Collision theory of chemical reactions. In last lecture we discussed about Arrhenius equation. Here we are in collision theory of chemical reactions. Though Arrhenius equation we discussed T is equal to E raised to minus EA upon IT is applicable under a wide range of circumstances. એટલે we can apply our Arrhenius equation in chemical reaction in wide range. It is very useful. But collision theory, which was developed by this equation, was given by Arrhenius. It is widely usable in chemical reaction. But another collision theory, most important, something was missing in the Arrhenius equation, which was reconstructed by collision theory. And collision theory was developed by Max Strauss and William Lewis in the year of 1916 to 1918. Yes, collision theory given by Max Strauss and William Lewis. It provides a greater insight into the energetic and mechanism aspect of the reactions. Full detailed information given by Max Strauss and William Lewis. Mechanism means how reaction occurs. So full detailed mechanism, how reaction occurs with proof, and energetic means study of its energy. It is based on, underline it, this is MCQ. Our collision theory is on the base of kinetic theory of the gas. So this theory is on the basis of collision theory on the basis of kinetic theory of the gas. According to this theory, the reactant molecules are assumed to be hard sphere. Reactants are assumed as a hard sphere and which collides with each other. And reaction is postulated to occur when molecules collide with each other. Whenever two molecules are collide with each other, then it gives a product assumed by the scientist. Without collision, reaction is not possible. And also, he said that for the reaction in the vessel, many molecules are present there. Most of having low kinetic energy, otherwise intermediate. Having higher kinetic energy having molecules only collides. The number of collision per second per unit volume. In 1 second, in 1 volume, 1 liter, how much molecules are collides with each other in mixture known as collision frequency. And another factor which affects the rate of chemical reaction is activation energy, means minimum energy required to collision. This aspect given by Max Strauss and William Lewis. Now for better understanding, here taken example. Bimolecular elementary reaction. Bimolecular elementary reaction means molecule are two and reaction is elementary means it occurs in only one step. So here taken hypothetical reaction A plus B gives a product and assumed this reaction is elementary means occurs in only one step. Rate of reaction can be expressed as rate is equal to ZAB. Yes, this is not Arrhenius equation. This is equation given by Max-Strauss. A and B, two molecules means bimolecular. Reaction occurs in one step, so elementary. And this reaction is given equation by Max-Strauss, where ZAB represents the collision frequency. Yes, we discussed. Collision frequency of reactants A and B. Yes, collision frequency in 1 second, in 1 liter, how much molecules are colliding, and e raised to, there are two steps, 1 and 2, to another factor, and e raised to minus EA upon RT represents the fraction of molecules with energies equal to or greater than activation energy EA. Yes, EA we discussed in our last lecture about graph. Yes, NE upon NT, fraction of molecule, kinetic energy here. So a graded graph like this is activation energy. So these fractions only capable to do reaction. These are not. Having less kinetic energy, having intermediate, no. Having higher kinetic energy only collides. This is the factor, fraction of molecules like this. Having higher energy molecules only collides. EA જેટલી તેનાથી વધારે. Minimum required energy is EA. એના જેટલી તેનાથી more, equal to or greater than. નાનાથી less હોય તો કોલાઇડ થાય જ નહીં, નજીક આવે ને દૂર ચાલ્યા જાય. એટલે મિનિમમ આટલી એનર્જી જોઈએ EA, તેનાથી વધારે એ બધા પાર્ટિકલ્સ રિએક્શનમાં ભાગ લેશે. Now comparing with Arrhenius equation, this one, comparing this equation with the Arrhenius equation, so we can say A is a frequency factor. Yes, A is related to collision frequency. Yes, we are comparing our equation with Arrhenius. Okay. e raised to minus E A upon RT. This factor is the minimum energy of fraction. બેમાં સેમ છે. Here ZAB, here A. So A and ZAB equal. So A should be related to collision frequency. Now equation this ZAB e raised to minus EA upon RT. Yes, rate is equal to ZAB predicts the value of rate constant fairly. Accurately. For the reaction. Accurate that involves atomic species or simple molecules. They involves species or molecules which are simple. If our reaction is simple, then accurately this is fair. But in complex reaction, deviation occurs. So something result is if reaction is elementary simple, then it's okay, it's fairly accurately gives the result. But our reaction is complex, occurs in more than 2 or 3 stages. Reaction is complex, then deviation occurs. The reason could be that all collision do not lead to the formation of product. So deviation reason શું? The reason for that every collision is not giving products. What? Minimum energy तो होगी जो है ना. So every collision is not giving product. The collision with molecule collide with the sufficient kinetic energy called threshold energy. So minimum required energy to the molecule is called threshold energy. Less than energy હોય threshold કરતા તો collision नहीं था. And proper orientation. Yes. Orientation. Orientation means proper direction. Collision in proper direction is called orientation. So as the facilitate breaking the bond between reactant species and form a new bond to product are called the effective collision. Yes. Now two things. Variation માટે reason આપ્યું. Minimum required energy ના હોય, so product નહીં આપે. And collision in proper direction ના હોય, તો result નહીં આપે. So as to facilitate breaking of bonds between reacting species. And formation new bond to form products are called as effective collision. Yes, new word, effective. Breaking of bond between reacting species and formation of new bond to form product, which is called the molecules are coming close to each other and it collides first. Then all bond breaks and new bond forms and gives a product. That is called effective collisions. Now we are going for better understanding of orientation. For example, bromomethane collides with the OH minus. Bromomethane is collide with the OH minus and gives the methanol and bromide ion. Yes, sir. In this reaction, proper orientation is needed. It is given in your leg to bond formation. So here two conditions. Bromomethane, 3D structure is given. OH minus reacting with it. First, improper orientation. Here proper orientation. Improper means here when we take a three-dimensional structure of bromomethane, OH is colliding on same side of bromine. So negative repulse each other. So we can't get any product. So this improper collision. Now proper collision, here bromine is on right hand side. So attacks occurs on the left hand side, on the carbon. So that is the proper orientation. And due to proper orientation, it gives the product. Yes, this is the account of effective collision. Another factor P called the probability or steric factor is introduced. Something was missing in the given Strauss equation. Rate is equal to ZAB E raised to. So rho is called the probability factor or probability factor or steric factor. Is introduced. So now once again, reaction conditions are three. Molecules should be collides, it's clear. And colliding molecules having minimum energy, activation energy or more energy, second. And third condition is that collision should be in proper direction. Bromine હોય એ સાઈડ ઉપર OH આવે તો પ્રોડક્ટ નહીં આપે. બ્રોમિન છે OH છે બ્રોમિનની ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ ઉપર આવે ત્યાંથી Br રિમૂવ થાય અને OH એન્ટર થઈ જાય તો પ્રોડક્ટ આપશે. So something was missing and it was reconstructed by Strauss and here applied, introduced rho ZAB. So now deviation is removed in this reaction. Thus in collision theory, activation energy proper orientation molecule determine the criteria for effective collision. Thus in collision theory, activation energy EA and proper orientation હમણાં જોઈ તે proper orientation of the molecules together determine the criteria for an effective collision and hence the rate of chemical reaction. Understood? Now some limitations, yes, of the collision theory. Drawback. Here atoms and molecules are assumed as a strong spheres, hard spheres. Hard sphere is assumed. In this theory, atoms and molecules are assumed as a hard spheres. Hard spheres. But and ignores the structure of aspect. Ignore the structure as aspects. એટલે અહીંયા 3 dimension oriented ની વાત કરી પણ સ્ટ્રક્ચર આપ્યું નથી. And molecule level should be hard sphere. These are the drawback of this theory. Now our theory over here. Now we are in text question. In text question number 1, what will be the effect of temperature on rate constant? In text question 4.7. In text question 4.7. First, what will be the effect of temperature on rate constant? Yes. The effect of temperature rate constant given by Arrhenius equation. Answer. The effect of temperature on reactions rate given by Arrhenius equation. Yes. K is equal to A e raised to minus E upon RT, here A 1 upon E upon RT minus became plus. We are increasing temperature once again. So value of EA upon RT decreases. So exponents rest value decreases, but 1 upon increases. So K increases. Generally the rate constant became nearly double. Generally rate constant nearly doubled by rise in 10 degrees Celsius of temperature. Yes. When we increase only 10 degrees Celsius and it will be doubled. It is proven. Now 4.8. Next question is 4.8. Index question 4.8. In the question number 4.8, the rate of the chemical reaction doubles for n increase of 10 Kelvin in absolute temperature from 298 Kelvin. Calculate the activation energy. Yes. Here temperature T1 is 298 Kelvin. Final increasing of 10. So 10 plus 298, 308. Here suppose the rate constant is K. At T2 it is double, so 2K. Initial K to double 10 Kelvin rise થયા પછી. So log K2 upon K1 EA upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. 2K means K2 means 2K. Here K cut. Here we are taking value of R in joule. So answer will be in joule. 308 minus 298. 298 and 308. Value of log 2.3010. EA here 10. 2.303, 8.314, 298 and 308. So value of EA will be 0.3010 into 2.303 into 298, 308 divided by 10. So 52897 joule per mole. When we divide by 1000, so 52.897 kilojoule per mole. This is our answer. Now 4.9. Question number 4.9. In the reaction, the activation energy for the reaction to HI gas gives H2 gas plus I2 gas is 209.5 kilojoule per mole at 581 Kelvin. Calculate the fraction of molecules having energy equal to or greater than activation energy. Yes, in Arrhenius equation we know in Arrhenius equation K is equal to E raised to minus. This one is the fraction of molecule having energy equal to or greater than. We discussed many times. EA or more than EA, and a fraction. This is only these molecules are taking part, means Ne upon Nt fraction. Understood? Equal or more than. Yes. So we are assuming as a factor as Ne upon Nt, fraction is x. So e raised to minus Va upon Rt. We are applying both side linear. So linear x, linear e. This will be 1. So rest comes as a multiplication 1 into. So linear removes. So 2.303 log x minus Ea upon Rt. So log x will be minus Ea upon 2.303 Rt. Activation energy is given 209.5 into 10 raised to 3 kilojoule into joule. Value of R in joule and temperature 581. So division of this minus 18.8323. This is log x. But we have to apply both side antilog. So antilog of negative is not possible. So we have to convert into bar. Minus 18 shell bar 19. After point digits, we have to subtract from 1. So 1677. Now antilog of it. 0.16 into 7 in mid difference in 4. So 1471 comes up. And here before point bar. So as the rest minus 19. This is our answer. Fraction of molecule having energy equal to greater than activation energy. Now first question of our exercise. First question of our exercise we are going. Here and next question over. Now first question of our exercise. Question for point 1. Yes. And first question is from the rate expression of the following reactions. Rate expressions from the following reactions. From the rate expressions for the following reactions. Determine their order of reaction and determine the rate constants. Unit. First of all, 1 3NO gas gives N2O gas. The rate of reaction is given K NO raised to square. First of order of the reaction. 2. Why? Rest is 2. So order of reaction 2. Now K equal to rate upon NO square. Rate means concentration upon time, and 1 upon square of concentration. One time cut, so 1 upon time and 1 upon concentration. Time in second, concentration in mole per liter. So unit will be mole inverse liter raised to 1, and second inverse is the unit of this one. Now second, H2O2 aqua plus 3I minus aqua gives plus 2H plus gives 2H2O plus I3 minus. So rate equal to K H2O2 raised to 1 I minus. If rest is not given, then it should be 1. Here order of the reaction is 2. Why? 1 plus 1 2. Here K rate upon H2O2 and I minus. Rate means concentration upon time. Here concentration, concentrated 2 times. One time cut. So 1 upon time and 1 upon concentration. So 1 upon second and mole per liter. It moves up. So mole inverse liter into second inverse. Both are second order reaction. Now third one is given like this. CH3CHO ethanol gives methane and carbon monoxide. Rate of the reaction, rate law is given K CH3CHO raised to 3 by 2. Yes, here order of the reaction is 3 by 2, means 1.5. Rest is 3 by 2. So now what about K? Rate upon concentration raised to 3 by 2. Rate upon CH3CHO raised to 3 by 2. So here concentration upon time upon concentration raised to 3 by 2. So here concentration raised to minus 3 by 2 upon time. So here 1 minus 3 by 2. So LCM is 2. 2 minus 3 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. So your concentration raised to minus 1 by 2 upon time. concentration means mole per liter raised to minus 1 half and second inverse. So mole inverse mole raised to minus 1 half minus minus plus liter raised to plus 1 half and second inverse is the unit of order of the reaction 1.5. Now fourth one. Fourth one, C2H5Cl gas gives C2H4 gas plus HCl gas. So rate equal to K into C2H5Cl. Order of the reaction is 1. Now K is equal to rate upon, here rate means concentration upon time. Here concentration cut. 1 upon time means second inverse is our answer. Now last question of the day, 4.2. Second question of exercise 4.2. Yes, sir. For the reaction 2A plus B gives A to B. The rate equal to K, A raised to 1, B raised to 2. With K, 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 mole per liter, mole raised to minus 2, liter raised to 2, and second inverse. Calculate the initial rate of the reaction when A equal to 0.1 mole per liter and B 0.2 mole per liter. Calculate the rate of reaction after A reduced to 0.06 mole per liter. So first of all, we easily get the initial rate. Yes, sir. Initial rate is equal to K, A raised to 1, B raised to square. K is given 2 into initial concentration of A 0.1, here 0.2 raised to square. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 6 0.1, 0.22 times. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, minus 6 now. Means 1 into 10 raised to minus 1 like this. 2 into 10 raised to minus 1, 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. So 8, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So rate, unit of K is different, but unit of rate is a constant. Mole per liter per second. Now what about decreasing? 0.02 molarity is decreased. So now In the reaction, 2a plus b gives a 2b. Clear? Initial is 0.1. This one is 0.2. Here decreasing in x 2x. 2 mole use like 1 mole. So here will be 0.1 છે initial 0.2. Suppose decreasing 2x છે તો અહીંયા half 0.2 minus x. So x we have to define first. So initial concentration of A is 0.1. Now 0.06. So decreasing initial 0.1 molarity હતી. It was 0.1 molarity. Now in final it became 0.06. So decreasing the concentration of 0.04. So in B, in decreasing of B will be half 0.05 by A 2 times use થાય તો B 1 times use થાય. So 0.02. Yes, so here 2x will be, so our B will be 0.2 minus x. So 0.18. This one 0.06. It is given. Final stage. So now rate equal to K. A and B raised to 2. K is given 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Whenever temperature constant, it remains constant. 0.06 square of 0.18. So our answer is 3.89. Unit of heat mole per liter per second. This is not rate constant. Rate. Unit of rate remain constant. Once again, initial concentration 0.1 and 0.2 is given. So taken. K is given. So direct initial rate is given. But concentration of A 0.12 decreases up to 0.06. So final concentration of A is 0.06. But how much of B? It is not given. So we have to derive. How much decreasing in A? 0.1 of the final 0.06 થયું. The decreasing in 0.04 molarity. તો આ જેટલું ડિક્રીઝ થાય એનાથી આ હાફ થાય ને 2 મોલ છે 1 મોલ છે. 0.04 યુઝ થાય તો 0.02 કે 0.2 માંથી 0.02 કટ થાય તો 0.18. આ તો આપેલું છે ફાઇનલ એ 0.06 એટલા ડિરાઈવ કરેલું. આ કેટલું યુઝ થશે એનાથી હાફ આ યુઝ થાય. તો ઇનિશિયલ ગિવન છે પણ યુઝ કેટલું થી આપેલું નથી એમાંથી સબસ્ટ્રેક્ટ કર્યું કેટલું તો કે ડબલ હોય તો એનાથી હાફ આ 0.04 આ ડબલ 2x એટલે x ની વેલ્યુ થાય ને 0.02 ફોર 2x x કેટલું 0.02 here taken. હવે આમાં એક વેલ્યુ મૂકી દો તો થઈ જાય ને 0.1 minus 2 into 0.02 એટલે 1.1 minus 0.04 weighted value. Yes. So now bye. We will meet in our next lecture. Jai Hind.